Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with all of you vocabulary words. Let's move on. Number first words we have strengthening. Strengthening means making something stronger, more powerful or more effective. It can also refer to the process of building up or something reinforcing something like a muscle, a relationship, or an organization. Next, we have example sentence that these words we use in a sentence. How? The exercise helped strengthen my core muscles. The company is strengthening its marketing efforts. The bond between them has been strengthening over the years. Next word we have mutual cooperation. Cooperation. Mutual cooperation refers to the collaborative efforts and actions taken by two or more parties to achieve a common goals or benefit. It involves working together, sharing resources, and supporting each other to attain a mutual beneficial outcome. In other words, mutual cooperation is a reciprocal relationship where all parties involved work together to achieve a shared objective, fostering a spirit of teamwork, trust, and cooperation. Example sentences: the two countries engaged in mutual cooperation to combat climate change. Next sentence we have: the business partners practiced mutual cooperation to expand their market reach. Next, the teammates demonstrated mutual cooperation to win the championship.